Welcome to the presentation of the Master Course Economic Analysis and Policy. I start with a program overview. The department involved at the University of Torino is the Department of Cultures, Politics and Society. Professor Aldo Geuna is the coordinator and the president. The vice presidents are Professor Elena Vallino and David Flachet. It is a postgraduate joint degree with other universities that will be listed after in these presentations. The duration is of 2 years with a total of 120 credits. Every year we have 15 or 20 places. The master degree course is part of a very large project called Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Degree in Economics, also called EPOC Plus, supported directly by the European Union. At this link, you can find all the information about this European program. The location of this master's course is in Torino, of course. Culture, Politics and Society is the lead department, the reference department, but other associate departments are involved. Economia e Statistica Cognetti de Martis, always at the University of Torino, and then in Paris, Université de Technologie de Compiègne, Alliance Sorbonne Université et Université de Paris. The formal classification of this master course in Italy is LM56. We have some admission requirements. First, the first requirement is having a 3-year bachelor's degree. For example, Science of Economics and Business Management, Economic Sciences, Political Sciences, and International Relations. Please take note of the exact codes of these master courses that are required, that are written here in the slides. Secondly, the student must have a good knowledge of the English language, possibly with a certification of knowledge of the language equal to at least level C1 of the Common European Framework. Thirdly, students must possess the following minimum curricular requirements, so 18 credits in economics and 6 in statistics. This is a picture of the main hall of the campus Luigi Einaudi in Torino, where most of the lectures are. Why to choose this program? Well, the master's degree provides students with skills to face present and future challenges of economic transition associated with the climate change, for example, digitization of the economy, and opposing pressures for or against globalization. Students will be able to acquire knowledge and skills related to economic policies, with particular attention to policies of innovation and development on an international level. Students will acquire a multidisciplinary perspective that, although is focused on economic policy, is also informed by political perspectives and sociological fundamentals for the understanding of the complex dynamics of economic transition currently in act. Students will acquire a good knowledge of business strategy aimed at process and product innovation. In particular, they will develop good knowledge on economic transition linked to the processes of digitization of production and the impact of technological change. In order to carry out both macroeconomic analysis and research at industrial sector level, students will acquire knowledge of basic skills to develop strategies at firm level. Finally, students will acquire strong quantitative skills in order to organize, manage, and analyze large databases, also with the support of advanced statistical econometric methodologies. Finally, in addition to a good knowledge of English, which is anyway required for the admission to the master degree course, students will develop or they will deepen their knowledge of Italian and French. Here you can see a synthesis of the study plan. Regarding the first year, we have 2 possible paths. Path 1 is called Knowledge, Innovation and Digital Transition Policies, while Path 2 is called Innovation and Development. You can see all the details of the courses that are offered in each of the paths in this schema here in the slide. This is the table regarding the second year. Again, Path 1, Knowledge, Innovation and Digital Transition Policies. Path 2, Innovation and Development. What about career opportunities? Graduates who choose this master degree program will be prepared to perform the following functions: economic analysis, innovation and development policies, planning, implementation and evaluation of both national and international innovation and development policies, analysis and formulation of business management strategies with particular reference to innovation policies and development on an international level. Professional opportunities are oriented towards national and international public, private and non-profit institutions. Researcher, for example, researcher in the economic field in public and corporate bodies and offices. Consultant or expert in organizations and agencies at different levels of government, local, national and international. Business manager in the areas of innovation, research and development and supplier management, especially regarding global supply chains. Regarding careers of the students that finalized already these programs, very recently, we have done a survey of all the students that graduated since 2015, also considering previous versions of this EPOC program, in order to have an overview of their jobs after graduation. We had a good response rate of 73%. We classified them in three main job categories: so business or consultancy, or contract research, academia and international organizations, or government. So about from 46 to 48% of our students obtained a business or consultancy research job. 12 to 18% of them had a position in an international organization or a ministry, and about 38% conducted a PhD, with some of them obtaining an academic positions. Here in the slides you can see a list of the main organizations in which our former students are working. Regarding the schema of the international mobility of the course Economic Analysis and Policy, these opportunities are organized in the following way. So regarding Path 1, Knowledge, Innovation and Digital Transition Policies, the first semester is based at the University of Torino and the second semester as well. The third semester will be based in Paris, in different institutions: Université de Technologie de Compiègne, Sorbonne Université and Université de Paris. The fourth semester is to be defined. It will be either at the University of Torino or in Paris or in some of the partner universities. This will be discussed and agreed with the master thesis supervisors. Regarding Path 2, Innovation and Development, the first semester is at the University of Torino in Italy. The second semester is at the University of Witwatersrand in South Africa. The third semester will be in Paris, and the fourth semester will be defined in accordance with the master thesis supervisors. Here in the slides you can see contacts and useful links. If you have any question, you are free to contact Professor Aldo Geuna or Alessandra Calozzo, that takes care of the students' logistics and administration. Thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to receive your application.